Snapseed photo editor. It's the best editor of mobile. I'm using this editor and this supports me very well. So as you can see, I selected this photo on the Snapseed. When you open the app, you will understand how to select a photo. So this is a mobile photography. So I'm gonna edit it now. So there is this option. You can select some features from here, like portrait, smooth. That will create your photo much beautiful without any edit. Okay, so we will not use this now. First we will edit from here. This is called tune image. There you can settle your photo's brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows. So first we need to go to the brightness. You need to settle your brightness. I think this is perfect. And then you need to go to saturation, not to the contrast. Remember, you have to use contrast settings at first. So go to the saturation. This will create from here. Yes, this looks great. And then go to the ambience. Ambience, the settings will make this more realistic. So this is in great line. Then highlights. Highlights, it's depend. If the photo is brighter, then you don't need to increase the highlight. So a little bit, yes. And then shadows. Shadows will darker and brighter, so we need a little shadow. Minus 3 point. Okay, minus 5. And then warmth. There is no need warmth. So keep it to 0. And now the contrast. Increase the contrast first to the top and then start to demote this and see when it's perfect. And yes, now I think the picture is in the perfect contrast. Plus 5. But this is not the end. We have to settle it in several times. So first, save this. Look at this. It was in the this is the real photo. And now after edit. Okay, so stay tuned. It's not over yet. Then there is some of a brush. It will this brush option. You can do it in portrait images, like there is a person, then you need to blur him, or you need to sorry, don't blur, you need to widen him. Like if you press here and this look at this, look at the bottom, I'm making it more wider. So if you want to widen this, you can widen this. Are you seeing it or not? You can do this, but I don't need to do this, so I'm not using this. So if maybe we can brush some hair, yes, here in the corners. Okay, now this is in good shape, and let's see the HDR escape. Oh my god, this HDRscape is much good. So now I'm not using the HDRscape because I need to do something more. That is this. Yes, this will create your image to the top class. You go to the lighter mode. There is a shade of light, so you focus it here and a little bit wider. Okay, this is awesome. Look at the difference. And then if you want a black and white user image, you can press here, but I don't need to black and white my image. If you need to some filmy style, then you can press there. It will give you some filmy stops. So this drama option here, if you need, like, look at this, this is so crispy, it seems like war. So we're not using this, we're doing some natural stuffs. Glamour glow, it's a wonderful effect to make your photo more glamorous, dreamily visible. So it will work in portrait images. We don't need this now. The thing is now this tonal contrast. It's very important. Settle your image midtones. Look at this. So you need to minus this a little more. Okay. And this is protect shadows. This will protect your shadows from here. Protect highlight. This is enough here. Now I will move to the tune image again. Now do something creepy. Now you have to use the contrast. Look at this. Okay, we're using this. No saturation level again. Ambience. I'm seeing this. It's getting awesome. Warmth is good. Now save this. Now see the change. Oh my god, it's really much beautiful. It's not only one image, you can edit it in many ways. So let's do some business here. Now I am gonna use this. This will work now. Let's see what is perfect for this image. This could pop. It's intuited. It's a faded glow. And now it's morning. It's bright. So the thing I love, this is smooth. What do you think? The current is more beautiful, so I think the smooth is more better. So this is all I needed to see. Sorry, show you guys more editors with Snapseed, or if you wanna know about some styles, about some tricks or rules, or how to edit, then comment below. I will teach you everything, because I'm a little bad in Snapseed edit. So that's all I needed to tell you guys. So goodbye, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget this, please.